Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can create an account on WorldRemit. So it's pretty simple. So you want to search for WorldRemit sign up. Once you search for WorldRemit sign up, it's going to show you all this option. So you can click on sign up over here and it's going to take you to the official website of WorldRemit. From over here, you can choose which country you belong to. After you choose the country, you can click on continue. Once you do that, click on where it says sign up. It's going to take you to the account creating page. Over here again, you can choose which country you belong to. You choose the country, what you can do is enter your email address. Now whichever email address you have, enter that over here. After you enter your email address, at the top it's asking me to select a state. Now if you select another country where there is no such thing as state, then nothing is going to be shown. So if you choose US, then of course you need to choose state, but for other country you don't. Alright, and after you enter your email, enter a password which you want for your account. And after you do that, what you need to do is click on where it says continue. Once you do that, an account with this email and this password will be created in WorldRemit. So that's how you guys can create yourself a WorldRemit account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.